Your car won't start? No crank? No click? Or maybe it cranks but won't fire up? Don't stress. Before calling a mechanic, try these quick fixes. Some take just 10 seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your car is refusing to start and how to fix it fast. And hey, if this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick car fixes. Step 1. Check the battery. First up, the battery. A weak or dead battery is the #1 reason cars don't start. Signs of a bad battery: dim dashboard lights, flickering gauges, dim headlights, and weak horn. Quick fixes: check if the battery terminals are loose or dirty. Tighten and clean them. Try jump-starting the car. If it starts, your battery is weak or dying. Still not starting? Move to Step 2. Step 2. Check your key or remote. Modern cars have anti-theft systems, and a weak key fob battery can stop your car from starting. Quick fixes: try holding the key or remote closer to the ignition or the keyhole. And try to start, use the spare key. Your main key's chip might be faulty. Check the dashboard. If the security light or there is no key warning light is blinking, the car thinks you're a thief. If the security light doesn't turn off, the immobilizer is blocking the engine. Time to check your remote or key battery. Step 3. Check the starter motor. Okay, the battery is fine, the key is working, but still nothing? Your starter motor might be stuck. Quick fixes: turn the key to start while tapping the starter motor with a wrench. Sometimes it just needs a little wake-up. If you hear a single click but no crank, your starter solenoid might be faulty. Still no luck? Let's check the fuses. Step 4. Check your fuses. A blown fuse can shut down the entire starting system. Quick fixes: open the fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard. Look for the starter or ignition fuse. If it's blown, replace it. Step 4. Check for a stuck engine motor. If your car won't crank at all, the engine itself might be stuck. How to check: try turning the crankshaft manually with a wrench on the crank pulley bolt. If it doesn't move, the engine might be seized. Check if the alternator belt is free. Sometimes a jammed alternator locks up the engine. If your engine is completely locked, it's time for serious repair. Step 6. Neutral safety switch. If you're in park and the car won't start, try this trick. Quick fixes: move the gear to neutral and try starting. Sometimes the switch fails in park mode. Check the plug connection under the gear shifter. Loose wires can block the signal. Step 7. ECU/engine control unit. Your car's brain, the ECU, controls everything. If it's confused, the car won't start. Quick fixes: disconnect the battery for 10 minutes to reset the ECU. Check for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. If your car still won't start after these steps, let me know in the comments. I'll help you troubleshoot. And if this video saved you time or money, hit that like button and subscribe for more car fixes. Don't miss our other useful videos. Stay tuned.